Hey everybody, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well as always. For today's video, we are going to be doing a pretty blue set, and these are going to be gel X nails. So these are the tips that I'm going to be using, and I did go ahead and clean up my nails off camera. So let's get right into our nail tip sizing. So of course I am just making sure that they fit my nail bed properly, making sure that they fit sidewall to sidewall, not too big or too small. I know I repeat myself quite a lot in these little intros of the video, but just in case you are new here, so definitely just make sure that the nails are fitting your nail bed properly. That way you don't have anything popping off. I feel like I haven't done my own actual nails in such a long time. I mean, I'm still going to be using peel off base coat, so I'm not going to be doing like the normal prep as if I would keep these nails on for about 6 weeks. But I'm always walking around with like one set of nails on, and my other hand is just my normal fingernails. So I just wanted to kind of have a set on for this week. So I'm going to continue to size these nails out and then put on some peel off base coat and glue these bad boys on, and then we are going to get into our design. So I did decide to seal these nails with some acetone just in case, even though I do have peel off base coat on, I just wanted to have that extra reassurance because I kept trying to feel the nail to see like if they were loose, if they were tight, but they were on pretty sturdy. I don't know why I was so nervous about this set. Like I didn't want anything popping off because of the peel off base coat. And I have had nails that lasted for like a week and a half with peel off base coat. But I don't know, I was just kind of so paranoid, maybe because I haven't had my nails done in such a long time. But they were pretty sturdy and on there pretty well. So I'm just going to add this base coat and then cure for about 60 seconds. And I need some new UV light gloves, you guys. Like, I feel like I've had these forever. And as much as I wash them and try to get like any little stains or like anything off of them, it's like they come out worse. So I think I need to get some new UV light gloves. But besides that, I'm going to put on this base coat before I apply these polishes. Now, for this set, this is the inspo that I saw on Pinterest, and I just fell in love with these. So you're going to be seeing me mix a lot of different blues. Out of all the shades of blues that I have, I didn't have the exact ones that I wanted in particular for this set, so I am going to be doing a lot of mixing to get the blue that I prefer. Now, this blue in particular that I'm mixing, I do put a coat of this on, but I ended up wanting it a bit darker. So for the second coat of this blue, I do add a little bit more of a navy blue, as you'll see a little bit further in the video. But the polishes that I'm applying, I am going to put 2 coats of each of the polishes down, and a lot of this video is some nail art and some 3D sculpting. So I won't talk too much, and I hope you guys enjoy these little nail art portions. So here I am just rolling out the little petals for the 3D nail art, and I want to continue to practice my 3D nail art and really get better at sculpting. I think my ratios are always kind of off. Like I think I make them a little bit too big, especially for the nail size. But I definitely want to continue to practice my 3D art, especially for summertime. And for these in particular, I really wish I think I would have made the flower, like hand painted the flower and then put the 3D gel on top of the hand painted flower. I feel like it would have made it pop a little bit more, or maybe add like a gold chrome outline to the flower to really define those petals. But yeah, a work in progress for sure. Definitely practicing my portions is what I'm going to be focused on. But I really enjoy doing like 3D art. I think it's really cool. And maybe I just get a little impatient and I'm like, it's a petal, I can tell. But yeah, definitely just a work in progress for sure. final look. I think it took me like maybe 3.5 hours or so. There was a lot going on, but I really love the way that they turned out. I will leave everything that I used in the description box, and I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching as always. And of course, let me know what you guys would like to see next, and I will see you in the next one.